Good day, everybody. So yeah, the lawn needs mowing. The lawnmower stopped working. Get a new one here Friday, I think. But till then, I'm gonna use the electric lawnmower I got for scrap that actually works to get the beach stuff down. So if I find any metals laying in there, I won't be with the good lawnmower, new one. Now our electrical contractor friend brought down this cable for me here last night. And they need the ends back, the two ends, but they had to use a skid steer to load it on the truck. It was so heavy, the two of them together. So I think he said it was about 360 pounds, 350 to 360 pounds, something like that, with the sheathing on it. So unfortunately, my cable cutters will not go around, it's too thick. So I have to take a little knife like this and try to line it with my last one. There we go. Yeah, it's not easy. There we go. I'm gonna do that hole into both of them. So probably, well, there's quite a few feet. And there's the cable's gonna be left. Nice copper. So then I gotta cut these down to about here in lengths, so it can be cut, stripped from the strip meister. And this is gonna be a few hour job, I think. So I'm definitely gonna keep you guys to watch the whole thing. But yeah, we're gonna take the outer sheeting off the old-fashioned way. And then I wanna cut this up, put it in the bucket so I can weigh it. The outer sheeting, and the inner sheeting off the other ones, and then the bare one, to show what each one weighed. So my total weight of everything added up should add what they had, they put on their scales up in Fredericton. And then go from there, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day, but I had to call for information from the scrapyard, because I get 30% of this. Unfortunately, I don't get it all, but hey, 30% of this is better than 100% of a microwave, right? So I figure if I yield 250 pounds out of it of copper, out of 360 pounds, leaving 100 pounds for sheathing, 1/3 of the weight, which is probably less than that of the sheathing, but we'll figure it out. I'll still end up with 75 pounds of my own at $4.62 a pound. It works almost $400. So $400 for 4 or 5 hours work. Yeah, it's worth it. We'll see what happens. Might not get that much. We'll figure it all out. So I'll bring it right back when I get the outer coating off. Okay, so we're getting there. There's one cable left. And this one here, I've been working on, we're just about finished with. I just have to take this down and cut the end off right here. And make a little cut. There's a little slice, but that long she's done. Then we gotta pull the inside out of her. So, grab this in here and start walking with it. And yes, it's heavy. Yeah, she's quite heavy cable. Good heavens. All right. So you step from here to here to cut. After gotta love these old bicycles kicking around here. All right. We're gonna have to use the what do you call it, grinder to cut it off, because we don't have a sawzall anymore, or reciprocating saw. Yeah, see if this will work. breath. Oh, let's have some fun here, shall we? And it's not plugged in inside. Don't think the board is back. Oh my goodness, there we go. Throat's awful dry. But I had to get this done because this one here, the one was about the same length. This was about an hour and a half just to split this. So it'll take another hour and a half for that one. It's 6:30 here now. So I'll be done with the other one at about 8 o'clock, a little bit after 8. It gets dark at 9. So I had a half an hour, 45 minutes to cut the small cables up inside to about 1.5 to 2 foot lengths to run through the stripper. Yeah. Be a stripper, they said. It'd be easy. Easy work. All right, guys, if you got headphones on or your volume's turned up, turn her down. Yeah, that's one heavy cable. Oh, here we go. She ain't that easy to work with. There, I think I got her now. All right, see how this works. Alrighty. I'll try another quick method. See if we can't cut it off with the short handle things here. These. Here we go. She cut. But we got some good thick copper there, guys. See that? It's gonna be some good yield. So I need these ends back. Now, Our final slices here. Whew. Oh, dang it. There we go, guys. Just use my feet. Whew. All right, so that's gonna be a chore. All right, so that's all there's to it. I've got a sweater on of all things. I cool in the house sitting next to the air conditioner. Cool when I'm hot and coughing, eh? All right, so I'll bring it back when we get sheathing off them and start cutting them down. See you in a bit. And I'm back. It's been a long day, hasn't it, buddy? Out before dark, yeah. Starting to get dark here now. We've been at this pretty much all afternoon and evening. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Yeah, we got one of the cables done. So we got done today. Just dawn lights on up there, street light. So yeah, got that almost finished. Probably about 100 pounds of what there was in the cable, and there's the downer right there. Show you when we get inside the shed here. Yeah, we get inside the scrap shack. We were quite disappointed today. And we're not quite sure how disappointed. What do you mean, Lawrence? What do you mean you don't know how you're disappointed you are? Several factors. All right. So, here's the cable. All right, that's all that's left of the first one. The bucket's down there. Probably 100 pounds by the time I'm done. But, we come with the green ones up by mistake. You notice it has silver, you call it sheen to it. See, silver. It's everything you don't know. It's all aluminum. Every last piece of aluminum. So, but then, a little closer, I seen the copper color in it. So I did a little bit of research. See the copper color there, and there's silver. This is tin coated copper, or yeah, tin coated copper wiring. So, the contractor got it from said he took some of this in the other day, and they gave him #1 Bear Bright for it. For silver copper. And it's stranded. But the copper in it, see the copper? It actually bends to keep shape. So technically it is #1. So, even though it's stranded, so it's #1, but I can't see being very bright unless that's what they pay for tin coated #1. That could be. I've never had this stuff before. So that could be #1 Bear Bright this year to go to. Everybody buys different. Their price a little lower than other people's too, so maybe it works out in the end. So we'll finish this off. I'm not gonna bother weighing it tonight. It's just too much of a hassle. Too discouraged after the day I had. It's been a very, very long day. And I just want to get it over with. You ever have one of those days, guys, where you just, everything, I would say it didn't go wrong. Everything didn't go as planned or expected. It was one of those days, like this stuff here. This is, no way that's #1 Bear Bright. If it is, I'm going to be a very happy guy. Because in my books, that's #2 tin coated. But we'll see what I get paid for tomorrow, eh? Because the young fellow was working scales, I guess, he told me that the young fellow didn't know what it was. So he took it out front. And they told him, yes, it was Bear Bright. Copper number 1. So hopefully that's what I get paid for it. Be really nice. But we only got one done today. We ran out of time. Didn't realize how long it was going to take. There's a lot, and I mean a lot, of coating on this. The coating was heavy, heavy, heavy. So as you see, I'm throwing all the coating over in a pile over there. So when I'm all done with it, he weighed it. He got X amount of pounds on the scale. Now I'll put the weight of the copper I get paid and the weight of waste together and see if it's right on. It should be pretty close. As I say, we'll see tomorrow. Gotta love a stripper. The good thing is I don't have to put this stuff through twice because it's not as solid as the other stuff was. But however, when you screw up a cut, you gotta put it through again. Ah. So what do you think, guys? Should we call her a show or what? A pretty short one, but I was so busy trying to get this done before the day was over. I want to get them both done today so bad, but it just didn't happen. So we shall see what happens in the morning. See, I got that doctor's appointment. And then I got to take off for the scrapyard and cash this stuff in, and we'll just scrap at the back of it, shred, and sit back and relax for, yeah, right. When I get home, I'll finish, if it's worth it, I'll finish scrapping the other one that's out there. If it's not worth it, it ain't happening. I'm not gonna, well, nobody, even himself, he's brought him, even he's not gonna waste his time if it's not worth it. I shall find out tomorrow what it is, what it's worth, what it weighs, what it pays, what it is. Because looking down there, you definitely see the copper content. So we shall see what we shall see. The guy at the scale has the final say. I just process and deliver and collect the money. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's officially getting dark out there now. And yeah. Okay, till next one. Thanks for being here, and God bless.